As it is rightly said, he is the happiest who finds peace in his own. Everything is made up of Panch Mahaput, that is earth, space, air, fire, and water. And directions are assigned to each one of them. Each Mahabhut or say element is connected with some kind of energy. Like fire is connected with solar, air is connected with wind, water is connected with rain, earth is connected with gravitational or magnetic field, and space is connected with sound. Each direction is given to each element, like water is to north and northeast or east, air to northwest, earth to southwest, fire to southeast, and space to the center of the core. As given in this picture, you can learn what should be in what direction when you buy the home. Just check for the entrance, it should be in the northeast, the master bedroom should be in southwest, kitchen should be in southeast, and guest bedroom should be in northwest. Try that. For better results, any activity in your residence or office should be supplemented by the cosmic position of these elements. Northeast is assigned to water. Have a borewell underground water tank in that position. Southeast is assigned to fire. Have your kitchen, pantry or boiler in that direction. Northwest is assigned to air. Have guest room, girls bedroom, store and finished goods room there. Southwest is assigned to earth. It is the most stable of all elements. Keep heavy and this is the best room for master bedroom. Center is assigned to space. Have the least possible activity in this area. To select the plot, remember the sides. As you can see in the photograph, every side represents some of the key elements of prosperity. Look at that. Any imbalance of elements outside of your body in your surroundings create a discomfort which we do not feel physically but experience mentally as energy centers of the body get disturbed. Due to the imbalance, you will get constipation, poor digestion, heart disease, etc. Basically, Vastu is being seen as Vastu Purush sitting facing the downside and its head towards northeast, as you can see. To find the right directions, just stand at the center of the plot and face early rising sun. You are now facing the east. Raise your left arm to shoulder length, it's the north. Raise your right side, it will be the south. And your back is west. You can also see the directions with the help of compass. In Indian culture, each direction is associated with one of the devtas. Like north is for Kuber, south is for Yam, center is for Brahma, etc. As you can see in the table, each direction concerns with one planet and a god. Like east is with Sun and Indra, west is with Saturn and Varun, etc. The south side is banned for all auspicious functions. Southeast direction lies between the south and east direction, that is also called Agni direction. This direction is used for home havan and burying Vastu Purush, that is creating the home Bhumi Pujan. The kitchen should always be in this direction, that is southeast direction. Southwest direction. Nairuti is the authority of this direction. It is also called Nairutya direction. This direction should be filled with heavy unmovable goods, pits, wells, septic tanks, water storage tanks, etc. Toilet and bathroom should not be constructed in this direction. It is banned for all auspicious functions. Northwest direction, Vayavya direction. Vayu is the devta of this direction. Air is necessary for all living beings, therefore tall structures should not be built in this direction. Tall trees should be avoided. Northeast direction. This is God's direction. Therefore, there should not be any construction in this direction. Toilets, Sunday room, etc. should not be constructed in this direction. However, underground tanks, boring wells gives auspicious results in this direction. As you can see in this figure, Brahmasthal should be lived clean and clear. The southeast should be better for kitchen. The northeast should be better for worship. The northwest should be better for master bedroom, etc. The west side is better for dining hall. The southwest is better for weapons, ammunition, lumber, study room. In this figure you can see how the kitchen should be adjusted. The southeast should have the gas and northwest should have the sink. In the bedroom, sleeping position should not be in the north direction. Best position is south side facing the north. Second best position is east side facing the west, and third is west side facing the east. It should never be facing. You can see, you can sleep in west, east, south, but not in north facing the south, because it is the facing Yama. Yam, that means you will get sleepless nights in that direction. Remember, just check out your home, check the directions if they are right or not, and try to keep them or make over them right, so that you can get a healthy life. Thank you.